Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for July 24th, 2010. Okay, let's start with the SPY 9-month daily view. We had a pretty choppy week, a lot of ups and a lot of downs, but we finally managed to break above this resistance area, the 110 area on Friday. So that's a pretty good sign. It's telling us, okay, we managed to at least get outside of this range and the market is showing some type of direction. The other thing also is that we did break out of this channel here. We had this channel that the market has been stuck in. And as I mentioned, we got that breakout. So a breakout above resistance and a breakout above the channel. So that's pretty significant. The thing is, I would just look for the next resistance level. I think we can just take it one step at a time rather than trying to outsmart the market here. And just look for this area. This is the next obvious area that the bulls want to challenge here. So I would definitely look to see if the market is able to come up towards this area next week, especially since we broke above here. As I mentioned, that usually should ignite some type of a short covering into next week, into Monday or Tuesday. Just going quickly into a shorter term view here in the hourly view. As I mentioned, nice breakout. However, prices are a bit stretched out towards the upside, slightly overbought on the short term side. So if prices can just hover around above this 110 area, then that's a pretty good sign as far as bullish sign, and then that will allow it to alleviate from the overbought and allow it to shoot up again, probably towards, as I mentioned, around the 113 area, give or take. It's not usually an exact level, but somewhere around here I would be, if you are long, I would definitely start unloading some longs around this area. Okay, going into the VIX. Now the VIX is showing some kind of a divergence right there. You saw how the SPY, or the market, made a new high, or at least it broke out above the prior resistance. However, the VIX is holding on strongly to its support level right here around the 2250. Okay, if it converged, that means it should have broke down beneath support, but it didn't. So that means there's still some inherent fear that's lingering around the market. Even though the market broke out, it feels like people aren't exactly trusting the breakout, or at least maybe it's a short-term breakout. So that's something I'll be cautious about. I'll still go long, but definitely cautiously going long. I wouldn't put a whole lot of positions into my bullish position. So the VIX, the sentiment is telling me that to be cautious.